In a modern car dealership, every team works hard, but data is scattered, updates are delayed, and mistakes are costly. Every customer inquiry is captured instantly in Moiboo. Test drives are scheduled, vehicles are assigned, and reminders are automated. Quotations move seamlessly into bookings and sales orders. Managers get live visibility of the entire sales pipeline. Exact vehicles are allocated using VIN-level control. Pre-delivery inspections are done digitally from mobile or web. Invoicing and delivery are completed directly from the booking. Registration and insurance are tracked with reminders and documents. Digital handover and automatic customer feedback. Behind the showroom, Moiboo manages the entire vehicle purchase and stock flow. Bulk purchase orders are created for OEMs and distributors. Shipment and allocation are tracked in real time. Vehicles are received with VIN capture and inbound inspection. Yard and showroom movements are fully traceable. OEM invoices and landed costs are allocated per vehicle. Moiboo also manages after-sales service operations. Appointments and job cards are created digitally. Service advisors perform inspections using mobile checklists. From approvals to execution, quality checks, and billing, everything stays connected. Spare parts procurement and inventory are controlled centrally. Sales, bookings, stock, profits, service, and finance all in one reporting system. Moiboo highlights profitability and operational bottlenecks instantly. From inquiry to delivery, from purchase to profit, Moiboo connects your entire dealership.